Hi guys, and if you're new here, welcome. Make yourself at home, get a little comfortable, and if you're coming back, you already know estás en tu casa. Should I open the door? Nah. Bounce, chicka bounce. Special sound effects. Let's eat some ice cream.
In this video, we're going to be making a homemade ice cream. I will be using my KitchenAid mixer, but you can also use your handheld mixer. For the first step, we will be making a whipped cream using 2 cups of whipped cream, heavy whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. To begin, the mixer is on a medium-low setting, and as the sugar and the heavy whipping cream get to know each other, we're gonna switch it up to a medium-high speed. After a couple minutes, you will see the consistency start to change, and when you get stiff peaks, that's when you know the heavy whipping cream has been whipped. For our ingredients, we're going to be using 1 can of sweet condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use about 2 tablespoons of strawberry or berry jam, whipped cream, and 4 frozen Gansitos. I would suggest freezing the Gansitos so they're easier to cut. 3 Gansitos are going to be mixed in with your ice cream, and the 4th Gansito is going to be used over the ice cream. In your mixing bowl, you're going to add your sweet condensed milk, your strawberry jam, vanilla extract, and then add the whipped cream that you had just made and mix it all around town. Just kidding, mix it in your bowl. Don't go around town. Now for the moment that we have all been waiting for. Well, me. I have been waiting for this. Adding the Gansitos to your ice cream. And then we're gonna do some more mixing with our spatula. The ice cream tub that I'm using is 1.5 quarts. It is insulated, airtight, reusable container that I found on Amazon. I will be linking it in the description below. Let's add all of our well-combined ingredients into the ice cream tub. Now with the 4th Gansito, you're gonna add a little bit here, a little bit there, kind of spread them out to the top of your ice cream tub. Now you close this baby up. No, wait, you go back. Go back in there. Add it to your freezer and let it freeze overnight. I freezed it for about 8 hours and it still wasn't completely frozen, but I was just so excited to try it. The ice cream is so smooth and creamy and sweet. I definitely recommend trying this recipe over the summer because you know how hot it gets here in Arizona.
This is it. This is it right here. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, give me some thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you made this delicious, sweet, just everything ice cream in the comments below or on my Instagram. I will see you guys next time.